Upbeat background music starts playing. Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you decide whether to drop your hard-earned cash or tuck it away for that dream vacation to, well, anywhere but the cleaning aisle. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a face-off between the Dirt Devil Steam Mop and the TVD Steam Cleaner. Grab your popcorn. This is gonna get messy. Cut to side-by-side visuals of both products. Let's kick things off with the price. The Dirt Devil is priced at a wallet-friendly $74, with many reviewers appreciating its affordability and value for home cleaning. On the other hand, the TVD Steam Cleaner is priced at $179, which some users feel is justified, given its extensive capabilities and professional-grade performance. While the Dirt Devil offers a budget-friendly option, the TVD is seen as a worthy investment for those needing a heavy-duty cleaner. Now, let's talk about cleaning power. The Dirt Devil is praised for its quick heat-up time of just 30 seconds, making it convenient for everyday cleaning. Users have noted that it effectively cleans sealed, hard floors with minimal effort. Conversely, the TVD utilizes high-pressure steam and boasts a 52 ounces tank, allowing for up to 50 minutes of continuous cleaning. Reviewers, including contractors, have highlighted its effectiveness in removing tough stains and even wallpaper, showcasing its superior cleaning power. Versatility is key when it comes to cleaning gadgets. The Dirt Devil is safe on sealed hard floors and features a 180-degree swivel head for maneuverability. Users appreciate its effectiveness in tight spaces. Meanwhile, the TVD claims it can tackle everything from floors to cars and comes with an impressive 28 accessories. Reviewers have noted its ability to clean engines, windows, and even grout, making it an all-around versatile choice. Let's not forget ease of use. The Dirt Devil is straightforward. Plug it in and wait for 30 seconds. However, some users have mentioned discomfort due to its design. In contrast, the TVD features a steam engine lock to prevent accidental blasts, making it safer for enthusiastic cleaners. Reviewers have praised its ease of setup and operation, which enhances the overall user experience. Lastly, let's discuss cleaning reach. The Dirt Devil is quite nimble, making it easy to navigate around furniture. The TVD has an impressive 197-inch power cord and a 57-inch steam hose, allowing for extensive reach without needing to unplug. Reviewers have appreciated this feature, especially when tackling larger areas or hard-to-reach spots, making it ideal for bigger cleaning jobs. Overall, reviewers have positive sentiments towards both products. The Dirt Devil Steam Mop is often described as affordable, lightweight, and effective, while the TVD Steam Cleaner is praised for its versatility, powerful performance, and professional-grade build quality. While the Dirt Devil is ideal for quick, everyday cleaning, the TVD stands out for more extensive cleaning tasks and projects. So which steam cleaner should you take home? If you're looking for something affordable and easy to use, the Dirt Devil is your guy. But if you want the heavy-duty cleaning champion that can tackle just about anything, then the TVD Steam Cleaner might be worth the investment, especially if you enjoy the thrill of an extensive cleaning adventure. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future comparisons. And hey, let us know in the comments which steam cleaner you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep it clean, both your floors and your shopping habits.